Hi everyone, can wool dryer balls reduce the drying time of your laundry? Let's find out. First, some prep work. 1. Clean the lint trap. 2. With isopropyl alcohol, clean the drying sensor. The first load consisted of 5 bath towels, 2 bath rugs, and 3 kitchen and bath hand towels, and no dryer balls. Turn on the dryer, set to towels, and start the cycle. The cycle started at 55 minutes, and because I value your time, the video is sped up 30,000 times. At the 13-minute mark, 9 minutes were automatically added by the dryer. For a total drying time of 64 minutes. All the towels and rugs felt dry to the touch. And a week later, the lint trap and drying sensor were cleaned for the second load, with the same count of towels and rugs. And 6 wool dryer balls. The drying cycle was again set to towels and started with 55 minutes. Fast forward again at 30,000 times speed. At the 16-minute mark, only 3 minutes were added. Resulting in a total drying time of 58 minutes. And like the first load, all the towels and rugs felt dry to the touch. The drying time was 6 minutes faster with the 6 wool dryer balls. A link is in the description below.